March without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
Hello everyone. Welcome. This is day 7 of
Vlogmas.
Vlogmas day 7. Hello everyone. This is Miss Lena with all my love. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I am blessed and everyone is blessed. So I'm going to read my scripture. I will have a mercy, and whom will I have mercy? And I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. Exodus 33:19. I will have mercy on whom I will have mercy, and I will have compassion on whom I will have compassion. Exodus 13:19. Okay, I'm getting ready now. I'm gonna cook these pig feet. I've already washed and cleaned them, and I have onions in them, and I have celery and bell pepper and pepper. And now I'm going to pour a cup of vinegar, a half a cup of vinegar. That's white vinegar. I can use any kind of vinegar, but I'm pouring the white vinegar. Okay. And I'm going to put my onion powder. This is onion powder, you guys. Okay. This is black pepper. I'm going to use too much. It's going to make me sneeze. I don't have time to be sneezing. Okay, this is complete. Okay, and this is garlic powder. Okay, to everyone. Okay, now I'm going to get me a spoon here so I can stir it up a little bit. And I just have it in just regular water. So now I'm going to put them on and let them cook for about a couple of hours, maybe less. I don't know, because sometimes you find them, they are younger, and sometimes they may be a little older. So they may have to cook a little longer. I'm not for sure until I stick a fork in them, and I will find out when they're tender. Okay, I'm getting ready to put them on the burner now. So thank you. We'll be back when I get ready to try them, to see if they are cooling down, if they're getting tender. Usually, it takes about 2 hours. So thank you so much. You're going to the fire now.
Okay, y'all, she put her seasoning in her egg batter. So that's what she's doing right there. This is the pig feet. She's going to fry her flour and her seasoning. This is egg and milk batter, y'all. What she's gonna fry her pig feet. She can put that in there, then put it in the flour. Y'all, you have to boil you have to cook your pig feet before you can fry them, though.
You got to cook them first.
Yeah, you have to cook them first.
Can't just go in there and fry no pig feet without cooking. So don't think you can, because it ain't going to get done that way. You're not going to get done if you don't cook them first.
Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, y'all.
Let them drain real good so they won't be wet. Because they should be in buttermilk, but I wasn't for sure if I had any good buttermilk. So I'm using this sweet milk. Any kind you want, but I think they fried. You also, I like them fried in meal also, but I try to do it in the meal today. I may do it the full size one and do it in meal next time. Because they are very good in meal also.
They really are good in meal or flour.
Now these got a lot of bones because they all broke up. That's the way it comes. Some of the stores have them cut and you don't have them split like they used to. And this stuff can be popping. That's why I try to make sure they're drained good. You have to be real careful because they're flat.
Oh, pop it?
It will pop. That's why you have to have screen on them.
Okay.
You don't have them. That's why I tell you have to drain them so they won't be running out. They look like chicken.
Yes.
See that? How pretty they are.
Mm-hmm. Let them see it so you see how pretty it is. How them pig feet pretty. Uh-oh. Fried pig feet, y'all. Look how pretty it is. It'll look better with the light on them. LaQuita said, how long did you boil the pig feet for?
Huh?
She said, how long did you boil the pig feet for?
Until they get tender. You can't tell because you don't know how long it's going to take, or you don't know what. See, you got some of these meat, when you start eating meat like that, you don't know how long it's going to take to cook. These took about, I cooked them, about 2 hours last night, about an hour and a half. And then I cooked them about an hour this morning, so these took 2.5 hours altogether. It may take longer, if some of them older, if it's older ones, until they get tender and start falling off the bone, you'll know. Because if they start popping, they really pop. That's why you got to make sure that when you take it, if you're going to put them in the milk batter, you have to make sure that they're dry and that the flour is on there all the way around. Because if you don't, they're going to pop a whole lot. So I put them in here. Let me see, this barely got. This is 2 pounds that I'm cooking. So
before y'all cook them, please. Y'all make sure y'all let them dry out real good, because if
Before
not,
you
they're
fry
going
'em.
to pop the heck out of you before you fry them.
And then when you put them in the milk and stuff, they got to make sure you don't have water dropping out because they will pop more. And they will splatter you, get in your face and eye. And the grease is hot. Because there's pork grease in there. That's what they're made out of, pork meat. And that will make them, it will make them pop more if you don't be real careful when you fry them. Okay. I'm going to let them drain out before it comes over there. Okay.
Ooh, they're going to be another little baby when they eat.
One more. We have to make sure they're all wet. Not too wet, but not draining. If they're draining, they will pop on you. I will tell you that for sure. Okay, now. Okay, everyone. Y'all know what? I have made it back. I have made it back with my fried pig feet. And they are delicious. They look delicious. They are delicious. And honey, you will never forget this one. These are way off the chain. If you've never had fried pig feet, I want you all to try them. Now, this is only like I had 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, and these were already cut. I have to cook them first after they cook, and I let them dry out. And then I took it after they dried out. Then I mixed a batter, just like I would chicken batter, in an egg and milk. And when I take them and put them in the flour, make sure that they're dry, because if they're not dry, when you shake the flour off and there's any juice in there, the grease will pop on you, and it's really hot because it's pork meat, and pork is always hot because of the skin. So listen to what I'm saying. Try to remember what I'm saying to you, because it's very important. But these are very good. But I wanted you all to see that you can have some fried pig feet, and they are very delicious. Now, I just have the package with the half ones. I didn't get the whole sides. Next time, I will show you how to do the whole ones. Like when you split them half in 2. These have been split 4 or 5 ways. So they're only small pieces, but they're still delicious. But I hope you will try them, because you will all love them, regardless to what. And you can put whatever ingredients that you want to put on them, that you like the most. And I thank you for looking, and I hope you will enjoy these. And I hope you will try, too, because they're very hot right now. And I'm not going to eat any. I just finished my dinner. So remember this. This is something nice that you all may have for maybe any day of the week that you want them. I have them for maybe for New Year's, or just someone over that like pork meat. And I thank you, and I love you all. Thank you so much. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And goodbye now from my fried pig feet. They are delicious, darling. Please believe me. Try them for yourself. Goodbye now with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye now.